Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So in this video I want to cover some of my favorite desk accessories. These are accessories that I use day to day, accessories that I recommend to other people, and they're also stuff that I've covered in previous videos before, but I want to cover them in one video, so let's get into it. So this first one is the OrbitKey Nest. I feel like this is quite a good accessory for nearly anyone because it can double up as a couple of different things. So the first thing is the top layer actually has a wireless charging pad on this side, and the charging pad itself is powered by USB-C. They do provide a USB-C cable, so you can plug it into any outlet and have a wireless charging pad all the time pretty much. It's brilliant. The rest of the top almost doubles as a sort of catch-all, so you can put whatever else you want on top. The top layer of it has a nice leather coating and the rest of it is made from fabric. And on the inside you can actually move all of the dividers around to however you like, so you can basically set it up to how you want it to be. And then when you open it up, it's just an elastic strap that opens it up. It opens out in a sort of lever sort of mechanism, and yeah, you can put a bunch of stuff in here. So I have a bunch of random things in here. I have a USB stick, SD card, my sort of banking device thing, security thing, and then I just have a bunch of other stuff that I need sort of on the go. I found that I usually have this sort of off to the side of my desk, and what I usually have in here is stuff that maybe I'm going away somewhere for a few days, or maybe I'm going away on holiday or whatever. I put everything in here. Obviously, you know, with COVID and stuff, I haven't been traveling, but if I'm just going away for a night, I will take this with me and I'll put anything that I need in here. It's great, it doubles up as a desk accessory, but also something that you can use for traveling. Next up is the ULX Desk Mat. Full disclaimer, it is a desk mat from my own store, but I absolutely love having desk mats. I feel like desk mats just add a nice layer to any desk, and it's great if you use a mouse. So if you have a nice sort of finished desk like I do, a walnut desk, you don't want to be scratching it up with your mouse. So having a desk mat that can protect your desk from any sort of mouse scratches and the keyboard when you're moving the keyboard and stuff around, you can also use it as a work surface. It's fantastic. This desk mat is made from full grain leather, so pretty much the best grade of leather that you can get. It's great. I feel like it just adds a nice luxurious touch to any desk setup. I also want to thank AppSumo for sponsoring this video. AppSumo is the #1 digital marketplace where you can get amazing discounts on products to help you and your business. Maybe you've heard of apps like Zapier, Evernote and MailChimp. Well, they first appeared on AppSumo almost a decade ago. AppSumo believes the tools that you need to run your business shouldn't put you out of business, and most of their deals are for life, meaning you pay once and that software is yours forever. As someone who works from home and runs multiple businesses, I'm always looking for tools and apps that I can use to optimize my workflow and my time. One tool that I like is called TidyCal. It's a tool that helps you schedule meetings. So for example, when you want to schedule a meeting, you usually have to go back and forth to find a time that works for you both. TidyCal lets you put in all of the days and times that you're available. You can send that to someone, and then that someone can choose a time suitable for them, saving you a lot of time and hassle. It's currently on sale for $19 instead of the usual $108. So if you're looking for great tools to help you and your business, check out the link in the description. The first 500 people who click the link or use the code OLIA will get 10% off their first purchase. Next up is the RAVPower 4-port charger. So this is a small little charging brick that you can use to pretty much charge anything and everything. I really do like this thing. It's such a useful accessory to have. It provides up to 65 watts of power, which is actually enough to charge a MacBook Air and a 13-inch MacBook Pro. But of course, with it having 4 USB ports, you can charge 4 devices at the same time. You have 2 standard USB ports and you have 2 USB-C ports. I highly recommend this for the price that it goes for as well. It's incredibly affordable. It's just a great charger to have to charge all of your devices. So even though I have a wireless charger in the OrbitKey Nest, I still like to have a separate wireless charger, and this is the Native Union Drop wireless charger. It really matches the aesthetic that I'm going for with my desk setup. It has a nice leather layer on top and the rest of it is made from metal. It just feels like an expensive product. It's great. It's a fantastic wireless charger. It also comes in other colors, so it does come in a sort of sadly brown color. So if you like a brown wireless leather charger, this is great. I think this is probably one of the best looking wireless chargers that you can get right now. So next up is the analog productivity system. So if you're someone who likes to have a to-do list, but you like to actually write it down and have it in front of you, rather than having it hidden away on your computer screen behind a window or whatever, which you're just going to forget about, this is a really good option. So you get these cards where you can write down whatever you need to get done for the day, and then you have a sort of task signal system, sort of tutorial on how to use it. And in these circles, you can basically just mark things as complete, incomplete, delegated, appointment, or you can just create your own. It's a fantastic system, fantastic way to have a productivity sort of list in front of you. And yeah, it's a really high quality product. The walnut finish of the actual holder itself is fantastic. The cards themselves feel really high quality. They're really nice and thick, and you can store all of your cards within the sort of holder itself. And then when you have a to-do list and you've written down whatever you want to do, you put it in here like so, and you can have it always pointing up towards you, so you can always see what you need to get done for the day. Fantastic productivity system that you can always have on your desk ready to go. Keyboards. So one keyboard that I keep recommending, and that you've probably seen in other videos if you've seen my previous videos, is the Keychron keyboards. So this is specifically the Keychron K1. They're definitely affordable compared to other keyboards, and they're designed for both Windows and Mac. So it doesn't matter what system you use, you can change the keys to suit you. These keyboards are good quality for the price they go for. I still like to switch between this and the Magic Keyboard. I can't really decide which one I like most, but when it comes to recommending a keyboard to other people, I always recommend the Keychron keyboards. It has Bluetooth, so you can use it wirelessly. You can connect up to 3 devices, which is great. There's also a switch here to switch between Windows and Mac and iOS and Android, whatever you like. You can use it on an iPhone, you can use it on an iPad. So if you like to use a keyboard with your iPad, this is a great choice. It's powered by USB-C and the battery pretty much lasts forever. It also can light up all different colors depending on what you like. But yeah, if you're looking for an affordable mechanical keyboard, Keychron keyboards are a good choice. Next up is the Kanto U2 desktop speakers. So these speakers are really nice and compact. They're perfect for any sort of desk setup. I've been super impressed with the sort of sound that you can get from 2 very small speakers. I feel like they almost look quite cute because of their size. I've got the matte black versions here, but they do come in other colors, so you can choose a color that suits you. And yeah, I just think they look awesome. As I said, sound quality is awesome. You can connect them up to your Mac or your computer, whatever, via USB, or you can connect it up just normal 3.5mm headphone jack if that's what you prefer. You can also connect up a subwoofer, which is what I have connected up. If you like to have bass in your speaker setup, then I probably would recommend getting an external subwoofer. Makes a world of difference. But yeah, sound quality is just fantastic. I've been really blown away by how impressive these speakers are. And then finally, the Shure MV7 microphone. So with a lot of us working from home now, going on Zoom calls and whatever else, I needed a high quality microphone, and the Shure MV7 is just amazing. The microphone quality that comes out of this thing is incredible. It really gives you that sort of almost podcasty sort of voice. It's great. A lot of people have given me compliments on my audio quality when using this microphone in Zoom calls and videos and things like that. It just hooks up to any computer via USB, so you don't need any sort of fancy audio interfaces or anything like that. Just a simple USB into your Mac or your PC and you're ready to go. I have it hooked up to the Rode boom arm, and there are actually other better looking boom arms out there, but I feel like this is one of the best ones because it can support the weight of the microphone and it can stay in pretty much any position. It's expensive, but it's definitely worth the money if you need a high quality boom arm. So there we are. Those are some of my favorite desk accessories. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite desk accessory is. I'm always on the lookout for other desk accessories. I'm always on the lookout for new things that I can add to my setup. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.